Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to how to log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Origin Bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Origin Bank login in Google, and right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on your screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to the official page of Origin Bank where you can see login option at top right corner. Just click on it and you'll be able to see a login section where it is asking us for our user ID. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is done, click to login and you'll be redirected to another page where you need to authenticate yourself through your phone number and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into Origin Bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.